Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is a review of the Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Pet Rewind plus Upright Vacuum Bagless. This vacuum can be used for multiple cleaning purposes because it has been especially made to clean the surfaces where cleaning is not easy. It provides full support through its automatic cleaning procedure, and you can get better results as compared to cleaning manually. It provides a brilliant solution to the problem of pet waste and shedding. We can simply say that it provides a solution for all kinds of dust problems so that customers may be able to use it for multiple purposes. Overall, Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Pet Rewind plus Upright Vacuum Bagless UH70210 is a wonderful cleaning product because it provides many features to its users to clean different surfaces in a comfortable mode. It has an easy-to-use pet waste removal system that makes it easy for the users to remove what pets have left behind. It also has an easy-to-manage control system because of 27-foot power cord, which eliminates the problem of replugging while cleaning different surfaces. Furthermore, the simple folder handle allows people to easily store this vacuum, whether they are living in a house or apartment. What I like about it, one of the great benefits of this product is that it has a great sucking power, which was not a feature of other versions of the Hoover vacuum. Because the sucking power targets pet hair, it can sometimes leave behind larger objects. Its cord rewinder is automatic, which provides customers a chance to get rid of the problem to rewind the cord. This is also a new feature. An additional change to this model is that it is now bagless. Similar to other products, it also has negative points alongside positive ones, but its overall performance is better than other vacuum cleaners. One of the negatives is that its retractable hose is a little too short to catch dust in high places. The turbo brushless wand is also on the short side. These were some of the negative points that have been pointed out by the users after using this product. Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Pet Rewind plus Upright Vacuum Bagless UH70210 is a wonderful addition in the family of vacuum cleaners because it has provided customers some great options. Before the arrival of this product in the market, most people had a mindset that cleaning different surfaces is tiring work. But due to this vacuum's incredible features, they started to enjoy cleaning in an innovative way.